Today we talk about how can you sync contacts on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just go down here. So then you click here on account settings. When you click here on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open video. So then all you have to do, you just click here on account preferences. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on sync contacts here. When you click on it, when you click on sync contacts, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on remove here all from contacts, just click on it. So then you click on continue, then it's going to remove video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.